You can see how it evened out my skin tone and added some coverage. We're going to do a summer-ready sweat-proof base. Starting out with the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer. You just need a small amount for a thin layer, warming it up in your hands, focusing that on the areas where I get most oily, and feathering out, taking the time to really press it into your skin. This is going to reduce pores and mattify our skin. Next we have the e.l.f. Halo Glow Skin Tint in the shade 6 Light Cool with broad spectrum SPF 50 mineral sunscreen. And this one does have water resistant ingredients which will stop your makeup from melting off with heat or humidity. I like to work from the back of my hand and smoothing it onto the skin to have more control of where and how much product I'm applying. Starting to smooth that out and then patting it in with a brush. I've always loved e.l.f. Halo Glow, especially for the summer. You can see how it evened out my skin tone and added some coverage. This is giving us a light to medium buildable coverage, which is my favorite during the warmer months. I love how lightweight it feels, and it's going to help our skin to be able to breathe, which is essential for sweat-proof makeup. It's really giving my skin, but better. Then we have the Danessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Lift and Flex Concealer. Again, being mindful about how much product we're using. I like to apply it in these areas, blending it out evenly to avoid any cakiness when we go to set. It blends out like a dream. And again, we want to keep the base as lightweight as possible, so if you want to conceal some blemishes, I prefer to spot conceal with a concealer. Now to lock all this in, we need a setting powder. This is the Half Caked Star Bright Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. Working it in from the lid, tapping to even it out. It's better to apply it in thin, even layers. Smooth out any creases before we set it. Putting powder over a crease will only lock it in. Pressing into the under eye, the center of the face, and then working our way to the perimeter. That way we're applying the most product toward the center of our face where we're most likely to get sweaty or oily. Now we're all set and we have a little bit of that halo glow giving us a natural radiance. And it actually looks so smooth considering my skin texture. The last step is the Morphe Sunsetter Setting Spray. It has a super fine mist that's going to give an all over even veil instead of looking splattered or patchy. That's meant to melt those powders back into the skin, lock in your makeup, and it has SPF 30. And because sunscreen needs to be reapplied, this is going to be so handy throughout the day. Here it is after all 5 products. I've just added bronzer and blush, and here is the base with the rest of our makeup. Don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite product, and subscribe to the channel to always be in the know.